Hello everyone. On the board you can see few problems related to add and subtract algebraic expressions. Today we will learn how to solve these kind of questions. Do not forget to like, subscribe, share and comment at the end of the video. If the question is what should be added to some expression to get the another expression. So we will consider any expression which is E, which when we will add with the other expression to get the third expression. So e plus x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube is equals to x cube plus y cube. Now we need what is the value for e. So we'll write down e is equals to. Now we will take this whole expression to the other side. So what we will do now, we will write down x cube plus y cube, then a minus sign, then the bracket and the whole other expression x cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube. Now we will open the brackets here, x cube plus y cube. Now the sign of all the variables which are given below will change. So that means minus into x cube will be minus x cube. Minus into plus 3x square y means minus 3x square y. Minus into this plus will be minus again 3xy square. Minus into this plus again will be minus y cube. Now we will write the like terms together. X cube, x cube. Write them together. Y cube, y cube. Write them together. Minus 3x square y, it's different, and minus 3xy square, it's different. And always underline whatever the variable you will write down so that you will not miss any of the variable. Now x cube minus x cube, we will cancel it because they are same, we will get a 0. Y cube minus y cube, we will cancel it, we will get a 0. And the expression which we need here is minus 3x square y minus 3x y square. So if I will add this expression to the second expression, I will get x cube plus y cube. So this is how you can solve your question number 1. So B part is also same. You can practice it later. Now we will continue with your question number 2. In question number 2, it says what should be subtracted from. So when any term is given after subtracted from, that will come first. So we'll write on here 2x cube minus 3x square y plus 2xy square plus 3y cube minus, we will consider expression as E is equals to get. After to get, whatever the expression is given, that will come after equals to x cube minus 2x square y plus 3xy square plus 4y cube. Now, since this E is having a negative sign, we want the sign to be a positive sign. So we will shift this E to the other side and we will take this whole expression to the side. So what will happen? We'll write down 2x cube minus 3x square y plus 2xy square plus 3y cube minus, then we will write down the whole expression which is there on the right hand side, x cube minus 2x square y plus 3xy square plus 4y cube is equals to E. Now we will open the brackets. 2x cube minus 3x square y plus 2xy square plus 3y cube minus into x cube will be minus x cube. Minus into minus is plus 2x square y. Minus into plus is minus 3xy square. Minus into plus means minus 4y cube is equals to E. Now we will write the like terms together, 2x cube and here we have a minus x cube. We will write it together. Then 3y cube minus 4y cube. We will write it together. Minus 3x square y plus 2x square y plus 2xy square minus 3xy square is equals to E. So 2x cube minus x cube means is equals to x cube. 3y cube minus 4y cube means minus 4y cube. Minus 3x square y plus 2x square y is equals to minus x square y plus 2xy square minus 3xy square means minus xy square is equals to E. This is how we can calculate the value of a expression which should be added to some expression to get another expression, or the expression should be subtracted from some expression to get another expression.